Losing important contacts can be stressful. To keep them safe from deletion, phone damage, or crashes, here are 5 reliable ways to back up and restore contacts on your POCO phone using SD card, cloud services, or trusted apps. Way 1. Make POCO contact backup and restore via MobiKin Android Backup and Restore. MobiKin Backup Manager makes POCO contact backup and restore easy. Backup or restore contacts, messages, and apps to any Android device in one click, with no data loss. Backup. Install MobiKin Backup Manager on your computer and connect your POCO via USB. Enable USB debugging if prompted. In the program, select Backup Contacts or other data. Choose a save location and click Backup to securely store your contacts. Restore. Open MobiKin. Connect your POCO. Enable USB debugging. Click Restore. Select a backup, check contacts, and click Restore to recover them. Way 2. Backup and restore contacts in POCO phone with MiCloud. Backup. On your POCO, go to Settings Mi Account MiCloud. Enable Contact Sync and tap Sync Now to back up your contacts. Restore. Sign into Mi Account on your POCO. Go to Settings MiCloud, enable Contacts. Tap Sync Now and check the Contacts app to restore entries. Way 3. Backup and restore POCO contacts via Contact Backup and Restore. A simple and quick way to safeguard POCO contacts is offered by Contact Backup and Restore. Users can generate a VecFF file containing all contact details and share it via email or cloud storage. Way 4. Backup POCO contacts and restore them via Contacts Backup and Transfer. Managing POCO contact backups is more flexible with Contacts Backup and Transfer. The app enables wireless or local backups of contact information and supports easy restoration on any Android device. Way 5. Backup and restore contacts in POCO using SD card. Saving POCO contacts to an SD card provides an offline and portable backup option. Users can export all contacts into a VecFF file and store it directly on the external memory card.